Networking and collaboration are important aspects of professional practice. My district has asked us to create professional learning communities with our colleagues to better support student learning. Expanding beyond this local group by networking with teachers across the world has helped me find new solutions for my students. In EdTech 543, I created a visual representation of my personal learning environment. Creating this image helped me visualize my circle of influence. I realized how members from each network influenced me, and I could imagine how I might influence them. Also in EdTech 543, I created a video and blog post representing the connections between connectivism, communities of practice, and personal learning networks. While researching for this blog post, I learned that participating in personal learning networks helps students self-regulate their learning. As a result of this understanding, I have helped my students create their own personal learning networks. For EdTech 543, I actively participated in webinars and live Twitter chats. From the Library 2016 webinar, I learned about makerspaces, which I would like to implement at my school. In a live Twitter chat with #CaliforniaEdChat, I had the opportunity to discuss how to tackle tough topics with students. This discussion helped me prepare for some of the discussions I have with my students when we read The Outsiders. I plan to participate in more live Twitter chats as my schedule allows. In EdTech 503, I utilized subject matter experts at my school in creating my critical writing instructional design. I consulted the subject matter experts about appropriate assessments, pacing, and the order of instructional activities. I revised the sequence of lesson activities and the focus of the unit based on feedback from my subject matter experts. Collaborating with coworkers on instructional design was helpful. My subject matter experts helped me see flaws that I might not have noticed on my own. In EdTech 543, I collaborated with classmates to create a close reading unit that utilizes social media. We communicated via Facebook Messenger in group chats to decide our focus and divide the tasks of creating the unit. We each developed a different part of the lesson, and then we all reviewed the final product for coherence. Participating in this collaborative group introduced me to new web resources, but more importantly, it helped me to see how I could have my students collaborate more effectively.